Hi, what are the standard representations and warranties that every contract should have? Let's break it down with a relatable example. Suppose you're buying a pre owned Tesla. You will want to know things like how old is the car? Are the papers with the owner? Are there any loans against it? Is it in good working condition? Similarly, if you're buying land or a house, you will check, is the seller the legal owner? Are there any court orders or disputes prohibiting the sale? Have necessary approvals like an occupation certificate been obtained? These assurances are captured in the representations and warranties clause of a contract. Representations and warranties are crucial because they allocate risk between parties. If drafted incorrectly, they can lead to unexpected costs, losses, or even litigation worth millions. In fact, disputes over these clauses are common in both domestic and international contracts. So, knowing how to draft them properly is a must. Let's explore the standard representations and warranties found in most agreements. Remember the acronym TAPE to cover key representations and warranties. First, title. The seller must have full ownership of the asset being sold and it should be free from any encumbrances or restrictions. Second, authority. The party must have the authority to enter into the agreement and perform its obligations. Necessary internal approvals should also be in place. Third, performance. The obligations under the agreement should not violate any law, contract, or court order. Fourth, existence. The entity must be validly constituted under its governing laws. For detailed examples, check out this document. The link to this document is also pasted in the description box of the video, so do check it out. But what happens if these representations and warranties turn out to be false? Let's say you buy property and later discover you need to spend $10,000 to obtain missing approvals. You will want the seller to compensate you. This is where an indemnity clause comes in. If a representation is breached or false, the responsible party must indemnify the innocent party for any losses or damages. Learning to draft indemnity clauses is essential as they safeguard your client's interest in case of breaches. You must master drafting 30 essential clauses like this to confidently handle contracts. It's not just about the language, you need to understand the commercial intent behind each clause. Have clear steps for the same. Here is a checklist to help you get started. Again, the link to this is in the description box of this video. Once you learn the basics, you can start practicing by drafting contracts for various industries. Imagine being proficient in 100 different types of agreements. Would you like to learn how to draft these clauses and contracts in detail? Join our free 3-day bootcamp for expert guidance. It's a live online event spread across 9 hours this weekend, and you can attend from anywhere. No recordings will be available, so set up a reminder now to secure your spot. We'll see you at the bootcamp.